Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we are going to unbox and install an AutoPro X. They reached out to me and I have been wanting one of these for a while. When you hook this up to your vehicle, you can have Netflix, you can watch YouTube. I have a 2025 Toyota Tundra with a 14-inch TV screen, and this would be so awesome if it freaking worked. Now the information, this is all I got, was this right here, an Android wireless. Everything's Android or Samsung, so I'm kind of curious if you have an iPhone, it's just easier, or it's non-existent. I have no idea. So let's unbox it and let's install it. But yeah, none of that applies to me. And I watched the YouTube video, and that doesn't apply to me because I have an iPhone. But let's just try to put it together. I'd love for this to work. It's a little tab right there. Like, I just got back from Ohio, and I'm constantly traveling. I guess it's little straps. This is all in Chinese. We'll probably need to bring this with us. It might be easy, I don't know. Put that back in my pocket. This is the bad boy right here. I hope this works. So you've got USB-C, USB-A to USB-A. So, okay, so C to C. It probably does something like that plugged into there, and this plugs in to here. So let's take this with us. Let me grab this with me. I don't know if that's got to be permanent somewhere. Is this American? So this is all it seems like I need. There's no app for, it's all like Google apps. I seen one on the back here. Let me see if it's Apple. Nope, it's still Google. This is the iPhone. So let's take it to the truck. I hope this works, because I would freaking love to watch YouTube videos, Netflix and stuff on these crazy long drives. I got a drive coming up that's freaking 15 hours. A lot of times I'll pull over to a rest stop. Actually, Adam from Hammock Gear taught me this. Just stop at a rest stop and get like a 10-minute nap. That'll recharge you back. All right, let's see here. So I've got all this plugged in. Let me take this off here. Plug this in. Boom. All right. Okay. So, got the AC running. Bluetooth and devices. Add a device. All right, let's see what this thing says. Use your touchscreen to connect Android Auto. We don't have that. We have an iPhone. How to set it up. Do I have anything like that? Search. There. Ooh, got it. Bluetooth interrupted. Please check device settings before trying again. What is that on there? Search. So something's up here. Something else. Something's up here. What is it? Is there like a button? There's a button right here. All right, let me hold this button down right here. Is there something light up? There's a little red dot right here, like a little red line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that doesn't do anything. Is there anything else in here? That's right here at around the X. Nothing. All right. Okay. So I didn't do anything yet. There's not a lot of information here, but I did go to my Bluetooth. I've not pushed anything. There's nothing flashing. If you see that little red light, that's not flashing. I've just plugged it into it. That's all I've done. But it's asking to pair this. There's no app. Connect. Maybe waited too long. Pair. Allow. So we're pairing. So that's all I've done. There's nothing in here that I can connect this to. So it's still saying Bluetooth interrupted. Okay, it's connected. So we're connected here. I wonder if this will change anything. Okay, so that's interrupted. It was something new. It said FaO&x on it. So let's try that. Boom. Okay, that's cool. So that matches. Pair, allow. Okay. Enable CarPlay. Your device is now connected to Apple CarPlay. Yes. Connect. So no app. Done nothing to it. Toyota Tundra, CarPlay, share, apps, allow. So this is done. Would that play?
Just pick up new AutoPro X.
No.
Samsung.
So usually there's got to be some stuff. This is TikTok. No, that's YouTube. Okay, be right back. I just got to figure out. I've got this connected. I just want to check other devices. I just want to check before I let you go real quick. Yeah, so it wasn't that. All right, be right back. So this is the second time I've tried to connect this. It says make sure Toyota Tundra is turned on. We're on. We're in park, in range, and are ready to connect. I'm wondering if I don't have to turn it on, but kind of like in this mode where it's not running. I don't know. All right. Boom. Device. Huh. That was weird. Share contacts. Oh, cool. You can do that with your phone. No. I don't want to do all that stuff. Don't do that. So I have it here. This is on. It's actually red. It's actually green now. A little tiny dot right there. Let's hit this. It's going to say FaO&x. So I have the truck turned off now. All right, so Tundra will pair, allow. Hopefully you can see this too. Everything says Android and Samsung, which is concerning me because I don't have neither one of those. I have an iPhone 16 with the latest update plus a brand new truck. So I don't know. We'll see if this works or not. Yeah, still getting the same thing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. This is all for Android and Samsung. This does not help me at all. The other one is in Chinese. Give me just a second before I just trash this this review. I'll be right back. Just for the record, I really want this to work. I want this to work really bad. I checked on AI and asked, is AutoPro X, can I use it with the iPhone? It says, no, you cannot use the AutoPro X with your iPhone because primary function is to enable Samsung DX from the compatible Samsung device, not Apple CarPlay or your iPhone. While wireless adapters can convert wireless CarPlay, blah blah blah. This is just for Androids and Samsungs. I don't know why they sent this to me and not asked me if I had an iPhone. This does not work. 100% does not work for iPhones. So if you have an Android, it'll work, but this is garbage to me. So yeah, if you would like one of these, I'll put it in the description. It doesn't work for me, so that sucks. I wanted this to work. So anyway, talk to you later, guys. Bye.